Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that is back on the market. This family-oriented home is located on Belvedere Road in Red Hills, St. Andrew. It sits on a 3/4 acre lot and boasts one of the best views of Kingston from every level of the home. It has 4 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, which is uniquely laid out on over 2 stories and a rooftop deck. Some features of this house includes high ceilings throughout, spacious bedrooms, a huge kitchen with eating area, spacious dining and living room, plus a family room. There is also a remarkable floating staircase, electronic gate for easy entry, water tank, grilled for extra security, and much more. Schedule an appointment today for a showing of this well-priced property right now. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 110 million or US $714,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.